What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is #1 priority. Let's get to some fun experiments, DIY, life hacks, how to, and a whole bunch of entertaining ideas. Maybe some trends and stuff like that. Hopefully we'll start some trends as well like I used to. Also I wanted to quick announcements. If I don't post every day, every other day, every third day, don't think I'm just disappeared. I'm still working on this studio, improving the lights, improving the sound and quality of the video and things like that. I just bought two more Canon PowerShot G7X. I need to get microphones for them. Also I have Pokemon channel, links in description. I need extra lights for that. I just got it delivered. I need to set it up. So be patient, and I want to be posting the best quality video, the most entertaining quality videos, not some boring stuff that I'm just talking. But you see, I'm already talking too much. Let's get to it. It's been 2 minutes. What's inside in one of those pull start fire? So the green stain goes around the log, and the red one is I pull on to start the fire. So let's open one of this. This is, I'm pretty sure, the older version of it, but it's essentially the same thing. They just upgraded the packaging a little bit. Okay, let's see. They did improve the safety on it in the new ones. I found the older one. Let's see if this one has safety. Boom, it's actually the same thing. Check this out. So yeah, looks like some kind of, like, I don't even know what is this. Some kind of wax mixture. So that's what's going to light up. And this side here is a fuse. That is so cool. There is actual fuse right there. You see it? And there is a powder. So the idea of it is supposed to go around the log. Okay, and all I have to do. And there you go. Whoops, I said it's going to move. So it's going to light up the fuse. The fuse is violently burned. And this thing is more so like a flare. So the mixture of it seems to be very similar. Burn is a flare. Which is nice. So and let's see how good it is going to start fire with this thing. So this mixture, I think that's an older version. Not all it is just have a better, different mixture, and also has a better safety on them. Yeah, definitely a flare. The mixture exactly to be a flavor, and as you can see, those things are already easy to start a fire, and it's some kind of wax. On eBay, sometimes you can find pretty interesting gadgets. This is right here, razor blade sharpener. I'm not really sure which way to put it. This way it spins. If I put it this way, it's not spinning. So I could only assume that I need to put this blade somewhere right here and then sharpen it. Sharpen it this way. Yeah, it's kind of catching it right here, so it has to be. Just go up and down. Also, let me know what you think about the mat. I don't want to disturb my table super easy. I can replace the mat. Boom. And it's supposedly sharpening the blade. Not sure if it's a good idea or not, but that's hilarious gadget from back in the day. 1935, I think. Here's a satisfying way to save money. This is a pretty cool spin coin bank. Drop coins here. Got it here, $50. This is 25 cents. And let's see how many can we get going. I can go both ways, one way, different coin, different speed. That's pretty fun. There's a $1, $50, let's go. 10 cents, all work pretty good. There you go, love it. Real steel, about $50 to $100 knife between there versus a fake $5 Benchmade. So this is fake, so they're really cheap. Let's test it. Safety glasses on, and let's pull on it. That's one broke off. This one didn't. Let's try this again. It just kind of want to come out. Oh, that one broke off too. But as you can see, that one broke off on the third time. This one broke off on the first time. So something you don't want to do with a knife like that. So what we learned from this test? Well, we lost $50 to $80. I will list it on eBay. Maybe somebody will buy it for $20, fix it. But the lesson of it, that Benchmade fake knife, cheap steel, broke off easily. It says ST90V, but it's fake. It's some cheap steel. It broke off instantly. I barely pulled. This one I had to try like what, 3 or 4 times to finally break it off. It was kind of pulling out, so I kind of kept it in there. I really put a lot of extra force into it and broke it. There you go. This is might be the coolest fidget spinner. Check this out. Spin it this way. Pretty satisfying. And if I spin it this way, stop this gear, keep on going, spin it the other way, kinda, not really. And it's super fast. Pretty cool. Rapid oxidation of sodium metal in water. Oh, I hear it bubbling. I'm way back. And I got it here, totally useless gadget, but very entertaining. So you put an egg in there and you're going to crack it by just pushing this down, and there's 2 blades down there. Let's see what happens. What happened? Oh, it kind of cracked. Oh, I see some shell in there. It didn't really crack all the way. It cracked it on the top. Oh, what a waste. Okay, let's give it one more time in case that was just a fluke. Okay, there goes nothing. Oh, did it do it? Nope. It cracked it from the top. Why not? Let's make a dog video. Who's this will fit on? This is a tactical dog vest. I don't know. Probably George or Luke. Luke, come on. Ah, man. Ah, come here, Luke. Good boy. Gus, leave it. Good boy, good boy. There you go. Tactical vest on a George. Keep him warm. Gus, leave it. No. There's a way to grab him and lift him up and hold him from the back and the front. I like it. Let's see how George looks like. Oh yeah, he look cute. Gus, leave it. So there's a handle in the front and the back and double double strap. There's definitely an experiment. Come on, go, 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 go. Definitely experiment for him. He have no idea what he's doing. But yeah, he can definitely carry a little bit of cargo. Probably be better for Gus because he can carry a lot more. Alaskan Malamutes, like what is he, 100 pounds? But yeah, there you go. Definitely takes a while for the dog to get used to it. But yeah, pretty awesome. I'll take it off. I think it might be a bit too small for him or too big for him. So with this little gadget, your dog can be not only companion but also a cargo carrier. Especially with the bigger dogs like Malamute, they have so much like power and energy. Not fast energy, but slow energy. You know, that's what they use. They use Huskies for like kind of get them going, but Malamutes can withhold a lot of weight and keep on going for a long time. You all know that. But yeah, pretty cool gadget for sure. Got it here, 5 starter roll. This thing is pretty cool. Let's put to the test the longevity of it. I had it for a couple of years. Luke is talking over there. But yeah, let's see if it still works and how easy it is to light it up. That stuff is actually pretty cool. And pull piece out, that's it. So fluff it up a little bit, and I have right here Exotac striker. It's quite sunny out here. Oh wow, it did it. Just need a little bit more flakes. There you go, make it thinner. And we got this on fire with a striker, with a simple striker. And let's see the burn time over here. Not too bad. The only thing is, if the sticks are wet, all I have to do is just add on a couple of pieces. That's it. And look at that burn time. Heavy flames. I love it. And just for fun of it, let's put in entire roll. Wow, that takes a lot. That holds a lot. And this is kind of like a holder, but a little bigger. That's a big flame right here. So as you can see, its burn time is pretty good, and on top of it we got right here a big flame output as well. Wow, that's nice. Whoa, okay, this definitely will get your fire started. Obviously don't recommend to burn it all at once, but just wanted to show you how powerful it is and long lasting when it does burn. I did this video a long time ago, what will happen if you leave the lighter on for too long. Today we're going to do which lighter will last longer, this cheap one or refillable. I set it up on the same flame, so I get it going. Oh, it's quite windy. We might have to postpone this experiment whenever there is no wind. So just like that, do not try this at home. Experiment which one is stronger, which one is more reliable. So what happened was, I think the wind blew it out, but also this metal piece really is protected. Whenever I moved it, I think the wind and that movement blew out the flame. They're definitely not windproof. It's not even a lot of wind out here, and it will not light up. Okay, we got this going. See what happens. Oh, wow. Did the drum already come off? Yep. Less than a couple of minutes and the drum melts off, and it's breaks off quickly. Plastic melts so quickly versus big lighter keep on going. That I guess extra metal over here in the back and much tighter metal all around it protects it from overheating quite a bit more. That is awesome. Let's see how much more. Look at that, it's barely can holding on. Yeah, that's melt off. Second time within 2 minutes. Well, there's a leftover gas now. Even the plastic is not very durable. If you drop it, it can pop. I'm pretty sure this is going to be very hot, so I'm going to be careful. But at the same time, look at that. The button didn't burn off, so it protects the heat so well. Also, drop test. Yeah, you know, this doesn't pop. Same string. Yeah, they're just much stronger, so much safer lighters, no question about that. Now I'm going to cool it off because it's too hot. Ooh, it's floating. That's also good for survival. Upon further inspection, I took it apart. I cannot believe it. Look how big the flint is on big lighters, and it sparks again after drying it out really good. So flip it upside down and look at it. It sparks every time now. So even underwater, all we have to do is wait till it dries out. We don't have to take it apart. I just got curious. It still works. Well guys, that's pretty much it. That was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I did. And that's what I want to do again. I want to enjoy making videos. I want to make fun, entertaining experiences of like different DIY science experiments, life hacks, open up MREs, open up some packs of Magic, Yu-Gi-Oh, whatever the new set comes out, if it's a really hype one. Just a little segments of me having fun, you know. I might even take you out somewhere in the future. Who knows what's going to take, but it's going to be like this, fun. So if you enjoyed this, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you next time.